Uh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, in the previous demo, just we are discussing about just a theoretical demo session. Today
Yeah.
we'll discussing one SQL project. In that SQL project, we are discussing about different SQL queries. Just we are understanding yes how to write the SQL queries. Okay.
So the
Okay.
SQL queries will be from the basics, right? From the basic because I just want to learn from basic.
Yeah, yeah. That is a course we are discussing from
Yeah.
scratching. But this
Yeah.
is just a demo purpose. In the live,
Yeah.
what type of queries we are writing? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. My project is student management system. Student management system. Student management system. Okay.
Can you if you don't mind, can you close that pop up, please? Enable access. Something is coming up, right? Can you close that pop up?
Where in the screen?
Yeah. Yeah. Now I'm able to see. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah. Project name is a student management system. Observing very clearly here, we can maintain the student data. Okay. Student join some course related data we are maintaining, and how whose students are joined, that means enrollments. Okay, course data we are maintaining, students data, and the enrollments data we are maintaining. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's why here we need to require three tables. We need to require three tables. Okay, three tables. First one is student table to maintain the student data.
Mm-hmm.
Next
Course
one,
table.
course table to maintain the course related information. Okay, already in the previous demo session, we'll discussing where we can store this data. We are discussing about relational databases. In the relational databases, we can represent or we can store the data in the form of tables. That's why first we need to create the tables. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
here three tables we need to require. Okay, if you want to performing this type of project, we need to require three tables are required. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Now here I am taken as a one database where we are creating these tables in the database. Okay, here I am taken as a student management SMS database. Okay, student
Okay.
management system is a database name, and that database contains three tables. The database contains three tables. Now, simply observing very clearly in the student table what type of data we want to require, like as a student name, email ID, age, address, okay, different fields. In the
ID
course,
number.
yeah,
Yeah.
ID also is there. Next one, observing very clearly in the coming to course table, course name and the fees. Okay, fees details we are added. Coming to
Mm-hmm.
enrollment table, okay, enrollment ID, which student ID, okay, enrolling under course ID, which course join, and enrollment date, okay, under marks, okay, different things we are added. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now simply observing very clearly here, I want to create a one database. Just wait. Okay. Now are you able to my MySQL screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I want to create a database. How to create a database? Simply by using one command, create
Mm-hmm.
database name. Our database name is SMS, student
Mm-hmm.
management system. Okay, we can take anything, just that is a one name. Okay, now here I am creating a one database. Whenever this command is executed, internally what will happen in the database server, one
Create a
database
field.
is created. Okay, one database is created.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is a SMS, student management system database. But in that database, how to store the data in the form of tables. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. After creating a database, next I want to check this database is created or not. How to check that one? Simply show databases. Show databases command we are using. Once that command is executed, it will show the list of databases. Already in my system, I am creating any number of databases. Now I am creating one more new database, that is a SMS, Student Management System. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, here different databases are there.
Mm.
Now, in which database we want to creating the tables? In our student
Yes.
management system. That's why first we need to connect the database. How to
Mm.
connect the database? Okay, first one, create a database. Create a database. Next step number two,
And
connect or
what command
use
we need?
database. Use database. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. On other servers we are calling as a connect command we are using, but here we are using use command. Use. Our database name is SMS.
Okay.
Use SMS.
Yes.
Our database is changed from default database to which one?
Uh,
SMS database.
SMS.
Okay. In that SMS database, I want to check any tables are there or not. Now, how to check that one? Simply show tables. Okay, show tables command we are using. If any tables are there, the tables names
Mm.
we are getting. Otherwise, it gives empty set. That means there is no
Mm.
table. Just we are creating a database.
Database. We just created
Yeah.
database. Yeah.
Next, I want to create a table. First one, which table we want to create it? I want to create a
Student table.
student table. Step number three, create a create tables. Okay, first one, student table I am created. Student table I am created. Okay, student table I am created. In that student table, ID, different fields are required. Name,
Mm.
next one, email, next one, address or city, next is some fields are required. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now I want to create a table. Now how to create a table? Simply create table, table name.
Mm.
My table name is students. Next one
Mm.
I am taken as a ID field, student ID. Meaningfully, I am taken as a student ID. Integer. Okay, every student having one unique ID. Are you clear? That
Yeah.
means the student IDs are not duplicated, not null value. Compulsory
Mm.
value is required.
Unique.
That value must be unique. Are you
Yeah.
clear?
Unique. Yeah.
That's why here I am using primary key constraint. Okay, in our course curriculum, what is constraint? What are the types of constraints are there? Everything we'll
Mhm.
discuss it. Primary key
Okay.
means it don't allow duplicates and a null
Duplicates.
value. Compulsory
Okay.
value is required. That value must be unique.
Unique.
Next one, auto increment. Auto increment means whenever we are inserting the student data, automatically ID is generated. The ID
Mm.
value always starts with 1. Okay,
Then it should be. Okay.
whenever we are inserting one student data, that ID is 1. Again, we are inserting another student data, that ID is
Then
automatically incremented by 1. That ID is 2. Okay,
okay.
yeah, increment, auto increment. Next one, student name. Student name.
Name.
Okay, it is a collection of characters. Now I am taken as a varchar. Size is 100 characters.
Mm.
Varchar is a one type of data type in
Mm.
MySQL. Okay, compulsory values are required. Don't require null value. Compulsory value is required. Don't
Mm.
require null value. That's why I'm taken as a not null. Compulsory
Okay.
value we are inserted.
Okay.
Maybe that value is duplicated. Observing very clearly, we can take one class. Inside that class, 100 students are there, but some
Mm.
student names are matching. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes it is matching. That's why I am not using primary key and unique. Okay, value is maybe duplicated, but value must be is required, not a null value. Okay,
Okay.
yeah, not null means don't allow the null values. Next one I am taken as a student email ID, another data type varchar.
So if it is, sorry to interrupt you. So if it is duplicated also, that is doesn't matter, right? Because you are taking the first one into like
Yeah,
ID or
it is a
something
for
as a
primary key.
primary.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, next one, that is a unique.
Email.
That
Yeah.
means unique is also another constraint. Unique
Hmm.
means values are not duplicated. Don't allow the duplicates. Okay. Observing
Okay.
very clearly, we can take it as one class. Inside that class, 100 students are there, but 100 students having different email IDs. Are you clear?
Yeah.
The email server, like as Gmail or Yahoo, don't creating the duplicate emails. Are you clear?
Yeah. It is
Yeah,
there. Yeah.
every student having one unique email ID. That's why I'm taking as a unique constraint.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Next one I am taking as a city varchar.
It can be.
Yeah. City name we are enter.
Mhm.
Okay. City name. Next one student age. I am taking as a int type of data. This is about a table creation. Students table I am creating. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Now press enter. We will get one command table created. Okay, query okay, zero rows affected. Now I
So to
want to
check.
check table is created or not. Simply by using
Okay.
show tables command we are using. Now
Okay.
student table is ready. Okay,
Okay.
that means here one table is created.
Mm-hmm.
That is a student table.
Okay.
Inside the database we are creating tables. The table name is student. Okay, next one I want to create another table. Okay, which table is required?
That course
Second
table.
one, course table. Okay,
Yeah.
course table.
Course maybe SQL something.
Yeah, course having also one ID for a unique purpose. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
course having one ID, course ID. Next one, course
Course
name,
name.
course name, and the fees details. These are the fields. Are you clear? By
Maybe you
use,
can put the duration also. Yeah.
yeah, duration. Okay, faculty name, faculty
Yeah.
experience. Okay, different
That's
things
all.
we are adding. Okay.
Yeah.
Now here I am creating another table.
Call
Create
is create.
table. Table name is courses. Courses. Course ID. Previously student ID. Now I am taking as a course ID. Course ID integer, primary key,
Primary.
and here also I am taking as an auto increment.
Hmm.
Auto
Course
increment.
name. Student name instead of student name, you need to use the course name.
Course name. C name. Course name.
Varchar.
Varchar. Not only
Hmm.
varchar, char is also available. Okay,
Okay.
in our course curriculum, what is the difference between char and varchar? We are explaining. Not
Hmm.
null, compulsory. Course is required. Course name is required. Okay, next one, fee.
Can be int.
Well, okay, generally fees is amount. Always we are representing like as a price or fees. Always we are cost. Always we are represented as a floating point value. Now
Mm-hmm.
simply
Yes,
here
point
decimal.
zero.
Yeah. Now here I am passing totally six digits I want to require. In that six digits, two digits are after decimal point. Are you clear?
Yeah.
6 comma 2 means totally six digits. In that six digits, after decimal point, two values. That means, okay.
Okay.
Now here I am creating course table also. Okay, now simply show tables. Okay, in this project, entire SQL concept we are included. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, show tables command. Next, I want to create another table. Once this command is executed in the DB level,
Hmm.
one more table is created. One more
And
table is created. Course table is created.
yeah.
Courses table is created. Okay, next one, enrollments table. Third one, enrollments table. This is a sample project in the real time, not only three tables, not only five tables.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Yeah.
we are using hundreds of tables we are using. Okay.
Yeah. But first time you have to enter like this manually only.
Yeah,
The
manually. But the DB team, not only manually, for example, if you are collecting the data from the user, okay, in that one
mm.
we are writing the front end application.
Yeah.
For example, we can take it as a Amazon website. Okay, if you want to creating an account in the Amazon website, simply we are open the Amazon website, go to sign up page. In that sign
Yeah.
up page, we are enter your details, your first name,
Then,
last name, your email ID. Click
mm.
on the sign up button. What will happen? That is a front end. Whenever
Yeah.
click on that button, what will happen? The back
That
end
is
application,
backend.
the back end
Mm.
application
Mm.
collect that information from the front end. That information is stored
And it
into the database. Okay.
database. Okay.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
is whole application. Just in that application development, this is a one part database. Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
enrollments table. In that enrollments table, what are okay? Enrollment ID. ID is rare. Next one, student ID. Which student? Student ID. Next one, course ID. Course ID.
Mm.
Next one, enrollment date. Enrollment date. Next one,
Duration.
marks or anything. We are adding anything. Okay.
Mm.
Marks. Next one, I want to maintain the relationship between these two tables. Okay. How to
Mm.
maintain the relationship? Simply by
There
using
will be a
one option that is called foreign key reference we are using.
foreign.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now simply observe in this project, what are the topics we are discussing in our course curriculum? Every topic we are explaining very clearly with different number of examples. Okay. Just this is a one
Okay.
project overview. Now here I am
Okay.
creating another table. Create table
Enroll table. And
enrollments. Enrollments. Table name is enrollments. Enrollment ID. EID. Int primary key. Auto increment. Auto increment. Next one, student ID, SID,
mm.
that is an integer. Course ID, CID, that is also integer.
Mm.
Enrollment date, date. Enrollment date. Data type name is date. And the marks, integer. Next one, I want to maintain the relationships. Foreign key. Okay.
Foreign key. For foreign key, you have to give directly foreign key.
Yeah. Yeah. Foreign key. Foreign key
Okay. Then
on.
how it will
Yeah,
keep
just observing foreign key on which column? On which column? Student ID. Foreign
okay.
key on student ID. Referencing, which is referencing to which table? References to which table?
Course
Student table. Okay.
student
Yeah.
student. Yeah.
Students table. In the students table, what is the column name? Student ID. Are you clear?
Yeah.
This is the student ID column from enrollments table, and this is the student ID column from
From
student table.
the student details. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. In the student table, SID is a primary key, but
Okay.
here this student ID in the enrollment table, that is a foreign key. Are you clear?
Foreign key. Yeah.
Next one, I want to maintain the another relationship between course table and the enrollments table. Next one again I am using foreign key, FORE, foreign spelling, REGIN. Okay, spelling mistake. FOREIGEN, foreign key. Foreign key on which column? Course ID column. From which table? Enrollments table. It is a references to okay, which table? Course table. Course table. In that course table, on which column? Course ID column. Course
Yeah.
ID column. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Here I am. Yeah, tell
So
me.
I'm fine with the foreign key till student ID. Why we took the course ID also, or second foreign key?
Yeah, here I want to maintain the relationship between two tables, student table and course table. I want to take the data from student ID and course ID.
So first we took from the enrollment and student table. Now we are taking from the student and course table. You are
Yeah, in the
talking
enrollments, I want to get the student
Hmm.
information and course information I want to get.
Course information. Okay.
Yeah, that's why two columns I am taking, student ID column and which one? Course ID column. But these two
Course
columns
ID
are
call.
already existed in the which table? Student table and course table. That's why we
Student
are using
table.
foreign key references. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Two foreign key
Yeah.
references we are
Not
using
not
to
only
use
two,
the
we can
different
take any number of foreign key references in
name
one
number
table.
of,
Okay.
yeah, for our example.
In
Okay.
this scenario, we are creating totally three tables. Okay. Last
Mm.
table is related to about two tables, student table and course table. I want to maintain the relationship between these tables by using foreign key reference. Okay.
Mm.
In the observing
Okay.
very clearly, one student to enroll multiple courses. Are you clear?
Yeah.
At the same time, which one? Course. In one course, n number of students are
Mm.
enrolled. Are you clear?
Yeah.
For example, we can take as a course name is Python. In that Python course,
Mm.
100 students are joining. Are you clear?
Mm. Yeah.
At the same time, one student to join multiple courses, Python, SQL. Are you clear? That means we are
Yes.
maintain the relationship between enrollments and the student one to many.
Mm.
Okay. At the same time,
Okay.
enrollments and courses one to many relationship. We are maintaining the one to many relationship. Are you clear?
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm
Now
clear.
I want to, if you want to performing any operation, we need to insert the
Mm.
data. First data is required. Are you clear?
Mm.
Step
Yeah.
number four is prepare the data or prepare or insert the data.
Mm.
Okay, now I want to insert the data from table by table. First one I want to inserting the student. Insert
Mm. Student name.
into table name.
Student.
Students values of okay, what are the columns we want to require? We don't require student ID column. Only student
Mm.
name and
Name.
email and city and age values are required. Values
Mm.
of student name. I am enter Shiva. Student email ID shiva at
Because
gmail.com.
because you take ID and all, it will automatically
Yeah,
create.
automatically whenever we are inserting the data, ID is one. Whenever we are inserting
Okay.
second record, ID is two, automatically
Yes.
incremented. We are using
Okay.
auto increment option. Okay.
That's why we gave the
Yeah.
auto. Okay. Got it.
Before that one, observing very clearly description of tables.
Mm-hmm.
DSC students. Okay. Here, this column is an auto increment. That is an extra column, auto increment. Okay.
Okay.
At the same time, student ID don't allow the null value. By default in SQL, every column is null by default,
Right.
but student ID don't allow the null value. Student name don't allow the null value. because
Mm.
here we are using student name like as a which one unique, not null option. In the
Mm.
email allows a null value, but that is a unique constraint we are using. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is the description about student. Next one, I want to insert the data. Insert into students. Which columns data we want to require? Student name,
Name, email,
email, city,
and
age.
age.
Values of name is Shiva, email is shiva at gmail.com. Next one, city Hyderabad, and age is 35. Next, I
Okay.
want to insert another student data. Simply Rama at gmail.com, city Vizag, and age is 34. I want to insert another student data. Krishna at gmail.com, and the city is Chennai, and the age is 30. I am trying to another data.
Mm.
Sachin, student data Sachin at gmail.com. Next one, location is Hyderabad, age is 33. Next one is Virat at gmail.com. Chennai, age is 30 or 31. Next, another data, Dhoni. Next one is email ID, Dhoni at gmail.com. City is HYD, and the age is 30. Okay, this is my data. Here I am
Okay.
inserting. Okay, every SQL statement end with semicolon is required. Whenever we are enter the semicolon, then only this command prompt to understand our SQL query is terminated. Okay,
Okay.
SQL query termination we are using end with semicolon. Okay, 6 rows we are inserted. I want to show the data. Select star from students table.
Mm.
This is the students data.
Okay.
Automatically student IDs are generated. Are you clear?
Yeah. Mm.
Next one, I want to prepare the data for course table. Okay.
Mm.
Next
Okay.
one, observing very clearly same commands we are using. Insert into courses. Table name is courses. What are the
Mm.
data we need to require? Course name. Before that one, what are the columns are available? Simply DESC courses. Okay, these are the columns in the course table. We are enter the course name under fees.
Course
Okay.
fees. Yeah.
Now simply observing very clearly,
Insert.
insert into which one? Table name,
Course. Yeah.
courses,
Table.
courses table. What are the fields we are inserted? Course name and the fee.
Fee.
Values of Python course name and the fees is 5,000.
Okay.
Another course name is Java. Fees is 3,000. SQL fees is 3,500, and okay, here I am taken as a six digits only. Inside the six digits only, before the decimal point four values, and after the decimal point two values. That's why below 10,000 we are taking the values. Above
Okay.
10,000 we are passing either 10,000 or 10,001 rupee, 10,500. Then immediately
It will
we'll
be
getting an
better.
error. The data is
Yeah.
not inserted. That's why some values I'm taking.
Okay.
Okay, next one. Okay, Python, Java, SQL. Next another course, Golang, 3,200. Python, Java, SQL, 3,200. Okay. Next one, another course is C language. Course is 2,000.
Mhm.
Another course, DSA. Okay, course is 1,500. Okay, six
Okay.
values I'm inserting. Select star from courses.
Courses.
Okay, are you clear?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Next, observing very clearly, I want to enrollments, inserting the enrollment. Now simply
Mm.
DESC
Description.
enrollments table. Okay. Observing very clearly, EID, enrollment
AD
ID, student ID. Okay. Next one, course ID, enrollment date, and the marks. Now here,
marks.
enrollment
Also.
ID is a primary key, that is also auto
Mhm.
increment. We are passing
Okay.
student ID, course ID, enrollment date, and marks. Now simply
Marks.
observing very clearly, student ID, that is a
Mm.
which one?
One.
Multi-key. Multi-key
Yeah.
means this is a foreign key reference. Are you clear? This key is
Okay.
a foreign key reference to the which table in the student table. And
Student
this is
table.
also foreign key reference to the which table? Course table. That's
Yeah.
why here we are
Courses.
displaying multi-key. Multi-key is also nothing but a foreign key. Okay?
Okay.
That
Okay.
key that column act as a foreign key in one table, child table, and primary key in the
Mainly it's primary. Okay.
parent table. Are you clear?
Yeah. Yeah. I should remember this.
Yeah.
I might forget. Yeah.
Yeah. Next one, I want to insert the data. Insert into insert into enrollments. Enrollments. Which enrollments data we are passing? We are passing
Mm.
student ID, course ID,
Mhm.
date, enrollment date.
Marks.
Next one, marks. We are enter
Marks.
only these values. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Student ID 1. Okay. Student ID 1. Course ID
Mm-hmm.
also 1. That means a student 1 means which is the student data here. Shiva is enrolled
Sure.
which course? Python course.
What?
Okay.
Python.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's why course ID, student ID, under enrollment date. Date we are passing. Okay. For suppose 2026 year. First one year option. Next one
Mm-hmm.
month option and the date option. Next
Okay.
one marks. I am passing 67. Okay,
Okay.
that is one value. Another value, same student ID 1. It is enrolling second course also. Two courses enrolling
Okay.
in the year 2026, third month, first. Okay, here we are getting the marks 90.
Okay.
Next, second student to enroll first course, and date is 2026 01 01. marks is 56. Another student, okay, this student to enroll third course in the year of 2026, second month, date is 14th, and marks is 89.
Okay.
Again, another student joining second course, joining second course in 2026, in 2026, third month, date is 05, and the
Okay.
marks are 78. Next one, fifth student to enroll fourth course
Mm.
2026, fourth month, and 10.
Yes. Okay.
Marks is 90. Marks is
Okay.
90. Next one, sixth student enroll in fifth course 2026, and third month 21, and marks are 75.
Okay.
Next one, same student, fifth student to enroll sixth course, to enroll
Mm.
totally six courses are there. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sixth course in the year of 2026, and the fifth month, and the first or second one, and the marks is 69. This is the enrollments data. Okay.
Enrollment table. Yeah.
Yeah, now select star from enrollments.
And
Okay, our data is ready. Okay,
okay.
now,
Now we can
yeah, just
pull
observing very
the data.
clearly, if you want to view all the students data, simply select the
Mm.
command we are using, select star from students. If you want to view all the course related data, select star from courses command we are executing. If you want to
Yeah.
view all enrollments
Enrollment.
data, simply select star from enrollments. Are you clear?
Enrollment.
Yeah,
Yeah.
now simply observing very clearly, select star from students. This is my students table. Now my requirement, okay, the student location HYD. Okay, which student coming from HYD location, only that student's information I want to get. How to write
So
that one?
star
Simply
select
select
star
star from
from
which
Hyderabad
one? Table name. Select star from students, where city is equal to
equal to Hyderabad.
HYD.
Hyderabad.
Okay, are you clear?
We need to put that in quotes. Hyderabad
Yeah,
city.
that is a string name,
Okay.
string value. Okay, are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah, now my requirement is, okay, here we are retrieving the data from one table, like as a student table. We are getting all students data, or we are getting some students data which are located in a HYD location. Are you clear? Now
Yeah.
my requirement is, I want to combining the data from student table and the course table. Okay,
Okay.
I
Okay.
want to display both the students data, that means the student and the
Okay.
course data. In that situation, if you want to retrieve the data from multiple tables, simply by using joins
And
concept. Joins,
John.
oh yeah, in SQL joins command, joins concepts are there, different type of joins are
Mhm.
there, like as a inner join, left join,
Mm,
right join.
right. John.
Okay, different joins are there in your course curriculum. It will discussing
Okay.
joins concept, takes minimum 1.5 hour time. Okay, okay, now we are
Okay.
discussing about, just we are retrieving the data from these all tables. Okay, student
Okay.
data, enrollments data, and the course data I want to get. Okay, now
Okay.
simply observing very clearly here, select I
Start
want to get student name. I want to get student name. Yes dot yes
students.
name. Next one,
Yeah, this
I
was
want.
why should we give that S dot?
Yeah, later I'm explaining. Later I'm explaining. Just wait.
Okay.
C dot
Yeah.
course name.
Mm-hmm.
E dot enrollment date. E date. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We are retrieving the three values from three tables: student name
Mm-hmm.
from student table, course name from course table, enrollment date from enrollment
Enrollment.
table. Okay.
Okay.
From students alias name, yes. Okay, in place of writing students complete name, we are using one alias name, yes, a shortcut name. Are you clear?
Okay.
Join. Okay, now simply observing very clearly enrollments e, that is also alias name.
Okay.
On
Course
on
on.
yes dot student id, yes dot student id. What is the common column? Student id is there. Okay.
ID. Mm-hmm.
S dot student id. Here observing very clearly in the enrollment, student id column is there. In the student table, student id common column name we are using student dot student id, enrollment dot student id. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay, if
Here
you want,
little.
yeah, if
Yeah.
you want to retrieve the data from the multiple tables, compulsory
Mm-hmm.
at least one
Yeah.
common column is required. Are you clear? In the
Okay.
student table,
So
student id column is there. In the in
common.
the
Yeah.
enrollments also, student id column is there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now here I am using on from the student table, student id equal to, from the enrollment table,
Enrollment.
student id equal,
And
that value is
okay.
equal, that data we are getting. Are you clear? That is the inner join command. Next one,
Okay.
I want to apply the this join command on course table, on course table. Now simply observing very clearly. Okay, join again. Which one? Courses table. Courses
Mm-hmm.
shortcut name I am using C.
See.
Now simply on E dot course ID in the enrollment table, CID column is there, is equal to,
Side.
in the course table, CID column is there. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Now that information we are getting here, we are retrieving the data from multiple tables: student name from
Mm-hmm.
student table, course name from course table, and the enrollment date from enrollments table. Okay, if you want to
So
retrieve the
my
data from multiple tables, we need to apply the joins.
joins. My question is like S dot S name. Why we are giving that C dot C name? That S
Okay,
dot C dot E dot
yeah,
that
in
time.
place of, yeah, student name column from which table we want to require. For
Oh,
example,
from
student
student
name,
table.
yeah,
Okay.
student name is available in the both tables. At that time we are
Mm.
confusing. That's why we are mentioning, I want to get
Okay.
student name from, yes. Okay.
Student.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next one, course name from course table, employee
Okay.
enrollment date from enrollments table. We are not mentioning. Sometimes we are getting the duplicate columns. Okay.
Hmm.
For
Okay.
suppose same query, observing very clearly, just star command we are using, just star command we are using, join enrollments. Okay, student id is equal to student id, or using command we are using, which is the common column, student id. Join courses using which one? Course id. Common column name is course id. Okay, but columns are duplicated. Again, eid, enrollment id, these information also we are getting. Okay,
Mm.
this is the data.
Okay.
Okay, but my requirement, I want to get name student name, course name, and enrollment date. That's why that particular column names we are mentioning here.
Mm-hmm.
Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next one, observing very clearly, my requirement is find out the students who scored above 80. Who scored above
Okay.
80. In
Eight.
the enrollments table, this is the marks column is there. In that marks column,
Okay.
who students to get the marks above 80. Okay,
80.
this student under this student
Yeah.
under this student. That student
Uh,
data I
yeah.
want to finding. That means I want to get a
Okay.
student name. Okay, in which
Mm-hmm.
course
ID.
under that marks I want to print it. But a student name not
Okay.
available in the enrollment table, and that
Yeah.
column is available in the which table? Student table. Next I want to get
Student
course
ID.
name. Course name is not available in the enrollment table, that is available in the
Yeah.
course table. Okay, that means
Course
we are
table.
retrieving the data from multiple tables. Here also we are using join. Okay, before the
Mm.
join, simply we are apply the condition also here. Are you clear?
Okay.
Now which condition? Where
Where
marks is greater than 80.
is
Are you clear?
80.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now same observing very clearly here. I don't require enrollment date. I want to get a marks. Okay. That's why E dot, I am taking the column name is
Marks.
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 From student S, join enrollment table E on
Mm.
student ID and enrollment student ID. Join
Mm.
courses C. Next one, which one?
See.
Course ID and
Ma.
which one?
Ma.
Enrollment course ID equal to course ID. Next one, we are
Mm.
using where class. Where,
Mm.
which one? Marks. Marks are available in the
Mm.
which table? Enrollments table. Are you clear?
Enrollment.
E dot
Yeah.
marks greater
Marks
than 80.
greater than 80.
Yeah. Before combining the data, we are apply this condition. Are you clear?
Yeah.
This data we are fine.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Are you clear?
Got it. Yeah.
Next one, observing very clearly, if you want to finding any aggregates, aggregate related operations like as a minimum, maximum, average, simply some aggregate functions we are using. Now
Mm.
from the enrollments table, this is the data. My requirement is max marks I want to print it. Max marks. Now simply select max of which one column name is marks
Marks.
from table name
Enrollment
enrollments.
table.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. If you interest, we are. This is a top.
Maximum means
Yeah.
that's the
Here.
top.
Yeah.
Okay.
Top well. Here. What is the command we are writing? That command act as a column name. But I want to create a temporary column name. Simply alias
Mm.
column name as highest marks. Okay.
Okay.
Column name is
Then that
highest.
will change the. Mm.
Okay, that is not a string quotation. Directly also we are using some versions are not supported. That's why we are using string quotations. Okay,
Okay.
highest marks 90.
It's 90.
Yeah, if you want to find the
Okay.
average marks, the average function we are using. I want to find the
Yeah.
total
Maybe less
students
marks.
or
But,
total students.
mm.
Simply count function we are using. Are you clear?
Mm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next,
Yeah. I'm
observing
clear.
very clearly, my requirement is which student to get which student to get max marks, that student name, and in which course we are getting that information I want to get it. Are you clear? That is my
Okay.
requirement.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now simply already in the previous one command we are writing this one, student name,
Mm.
course name, and marks from students S,
Mm.
join enrollment table E on common column
Mm.
from the student table student ID, from the enrollment
Mm.
table student ID. Again we are apply the
Mm.
join which table? Courses table. And which column we are
Mm.
compiling? From the enrollment table course ID and from the course table course id, where
Mhm.
observing very clearly I want to get marks data. Which marks data? Maximum marks. Now how to identify that one? Simply where command we are writing, simply
Mm.
marks equal to which one? Max marks.
Highest.
Select
Uh-huh.
max of marks
Marks.
from enrollments.
Enrollment.
Okay, this is nothing but a sub query. Okay, query inside another query we are passing. Are you clear?
Okay.
In the
Yeah.
SQL, subqueries is also one of the most important topic. Subqueries.
So
Okay, after
subqueries is starting from the select the curly braces. It
yeah,
start from select maximum.
yeah.
Okay, this is
First
a
one
called
is
subquery.
yeah, yeah, subquery. In the subquery, observing very clearly, first subquery logic will be executed. Subquery gives some
Mm.
result. That result is passing to the
Okay.
input of the outer query. Some people we are calling as this
Okay.
is an inner query and this is a outer
Mm.
query. Okay.
Outer query. Okay. And it's a subquery also, we can say inner query or subquery, you mean,
Yeah. Subquery means
right?
we are writing a query inside another query. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Now only that information we are finding. Previously we are getting only max marks, but my requirement,
Mm.
which student in which course to get that maximum marks, that information I want to get it. Student name is available in the
Okay.
student table, course name is available in the course table, and marks is available in the enrollment table. We are combining the
Enrollment
data
table.
from these all tables, but at the time of retrieving
Mm.
the data, which data we want to require?
Subquery.
Maximum marks student data we are getting.
Maximum.
That's why this command we are writing.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah. Next one, observing very clearly, my requirement is I want to get the course wise number of students are registered. How many students are registered in
Mhm.
Python? How many students are enrolled in Java? How many students are
Mhm.
enrolled? That information I want to get. Okay, if you want to get the data, simply we are using in SQL, group by class is there. Here we are using where
Mhm.
class. Okay, for filtering the data.
Mhm.
If you want to grouping the data, we are using group by class. Are you clear?
Mhm. No, can you repeat it again?
Here, observing very clearly, different courses are there and different number of students are there. For example,
Yeah.
my requirement course wise, for suppose we can take as a course
Yeah.
name is Python. In that Python, how many students are enrolled? Okay.
Are
Yeah,
enrolled.
that
Okay.
information I
Okay.
want to get. Simply how to write that
Mhm.
command, number of students to enroll course wise. That data I want to get.
Mhm.
Now simply select C
Select
dot
to
course
course name.
C name and
Where.
count. Count is one aggregate function. Now simply
Okay.
from the employee, that means enrollment table, EID or student ID we are using. Student ID, E dot student ID
Where
as one temporary column I am writing total enrolled
total.
students. Okay, enrolled
Okay. Students
student, students
from or where?
from
What should we
which
use?
table? Course table.
No.
From courses,
Course.
shortcut name I am using E. That means a C. Okay.
Mm.
Courses. I want to apply the join. Here different type of joins are there. Previously I am using just join, that is nothing but inner join. Inner join retrieve both the matching records from both the tables. Here I am using left join. Left join means, okay, before the left join, which table we are using? Course table. That means complete course table data is printed. Okay, and only matching records are printed from the right side table. Here which table we are passing, right side table enrollments. Okay.
How do we know like what is left and what is right?
Okay, before the left join command, okay,
Mm.
this is the left part and this is the right part. Are you clear?
Yeah, now we know, but
Yeah. Here left join, before the left join, which table name we are using, that
course.
comes under the
Yeah.
left table. After
Okay.
left join, which table name we are writing, that is a right table.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Enrollments E on which column? What is the common column from the course table and enrollment table?
Student
Course ID. Okay.
course ID.
Yeah. C dot CID is equal to E dot course ID. Now, simply observing very clearly, here we are using one class group by, okay, group by, based on which one? Course name. Are you clear?
Okay.
Course name. C dot C name.
Course.
Are you clear? My
Okay.
requirement is course wise. How
Mhm.
many students are enrolled? Okay,
Mhm.
how to find that how many students? Simply by using count method,
Count.
count function. Okay.
Okay.
Now simply observing very clearly. In Python,
Python to
two
Java
students
to
are enrolling. Java, two students are enrolling. SQL, one course, one student. Go, one
and
student. C, one course, one student.
yeah.
DSA, one student is enrolling.
Okay.
Here we are using group by class.
Mhm.
Okay, in the live scenario, this type of commands we are executed.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yeah, I'm clear.
Yeah. This is a
But I
simple
need to
project.
remember all the commands, all the
Yeah.
names and everything.
Next,
Now,
observing very clearly, if you interest, my requirement is based upon the score wise, course wise. Okay, performance, excellent or good or bad. Some student performance we are reviewing. Okay,
mm-hmm.
simply we are writing different SQL statements. Different SQL statements we are writing. For example, observing very clearly, my requirement is create the student performance report. This is the final summary. Create the student performance report. My requirement is I want to get student name, student table, yes dot student name, yes name. Next one, yes dot city, yes dot city. Next one, c dot course name, c name.
But for
Next
the
one.
performance, why do we need CT?
Okay, if you interest, we don't require,
Okay.
you don't write it.
Just
Just
okay.
student
Okay.
name, C
Okay.
dot course name, C dot course name, and
Mm.
next one based upon the
Ma-
mark. For suppose from the enrollment table
enrollment.
marks. Okay.
Mhm.
Now here I want to write the multiple conditions. In the select
Mm.
statement also we are writing the conditions. Here I am
Mm.
using case. In that case, when E dot marks, E dot marks is greater than or equal to 90, then I want to add excellent. Okay,
Okay.
excellent performance. When E dot marks is greater than or equal to 75, is greater than or equal to 75,
Then good.
then good. When E
60
dot
and
marks is
equal
greater than or equal to
60
60, then we are
average.
adding average, average, else part, else part, otherwise
Poor.
below
Poor.
60. Next one, any message we are writing. Okay,
Mm.
poor,
Mm.
okay, needs improvement. Okay,
Mm.
Next one, we are ending the case. That is the command end case. And
Mhm.
this entire data we are taking as a one temporary column. That column
Mhm.
name is called performance.
Performance. Okay.
Performance. Next one, from which one? Students. Yes. Student table name. Yes. Join command we are using. Join
Course
enrollment.
enrollment E
E
and
on s dot student id is equal to e dot student id. Join
C dot
courses
course dot C.
C on which one?
Uh,
Enrollment
co-
course id is equal to course dot course id. Are you clear? This
mhm.
is common, already we'll discussing a number of times.
Mhm.
Are you clear or not?
Yeah, yeah.
Next, observing very clearly. Now I want to generate the student performance result here.
Error.
Excellent, then excellent in MySQL. Then e dot marks. Okay, here you have an error in SQL syntax. Check the manual version for the right when case command end. Okay, else. Okay,
Maybe core.
yeah, just wait. Course table. Just wait.
Okay.
When without marks, then excellent. 4 needs improvement as performance student ID. Replace after s dot name c dot name with standard column separator. We are using comma. Column separator is comma. Replaced after s dot name. Kept case statement syntax clean, which is completely valid in MySQL. If you are still getting an error, please exact error message. Case when just wait. Okay. What is the mistake previously? Okay. Here e dot marks.
Mm.
After that, we need to require comma. Okay. That is a mistake. Okay.
Uh,
Okay, columns are separated. Okay, student name is a column, course name is a column, marks
key
is a
marks
column,
equal
and the
column. Okay.
performance is also another column. Are you clear?
Okay.
Your last column is performance. Under the
So
performance, these values were generated. That is also column. After e
mm,
marks, we need to take the column comma. Are you clear? That is a
okay.
mistake.
Okay.
Okay, e dot marks. That is also comma is required. Okay.
Okay.
Same command. Just we are missing comma.
Okay.
Okay, this is the improvement. This is the student report. Okay,
Okay.
are you clear?
Mm.
This is the
Yeah.
project